Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your science class for grade 5. This is the part B of our video notebook work. Now we start our notebook work. Open your science notebook. On the left side of your notebook page, you write date, classwork and day. In the next line, you write unit number 10 and unit name magnets and electromagnets. In the next line, you write the topic name, words, meanings. You make two columns. One is for words and second is for meanings. The words are sprinkle, छिड़कना, डीमैग्नेटाइज मकनातीसी असर ख़त्म करना, स्क्रैप यार्ड कबार खाना, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स बरकी मकनातीस. On the next page, you again write date, classwork, day, unit number, unit name, topic name, question answers. Question number 1 is define the following terms: magnetic and non-magnetic materials. B. Magnetic field. A. Magnetic materials. A material that is not attracted to a magnet. Non-magnetic materials are materials that is attracted to a magnet. B is magnetic field. The area around a magnet where its force of attraction pulls metals towards it. Question number 2. What is meant by demagnetization? Explain any 3 ways to demagnetize a magnet. Demagnetization is a process of removing magnetic properties. A magnet can become demagnetized if it is dropped repeatedly, heated, hammered, or stored too close to other magnets. Question number 3. What are electromagnets? An electromagnet is a magnet created by passing an electric current through wire coiled around iron. An electromagnet can be switched on and off. Question number 4. How can you turn an iron nail into a magnet? An iron nail can be turned into a magnet by passing electric current around it. Question number 5. How can you increase the strength of an electromagnet? We can increase the strength of an electromagnet by increasing the number of coils around the iron nail, or by increasing the flow of current in the wire. Question number 6. Write any 3 uses of electromagnets in daily life. Electromagnets are used in the speakers of TVs and radios, in ATM cards, in motors, in computer hard devices, in doorbells, in generators, in scrapyard machinery, to separate materials, and under maglev trains. Students may reach other devices if they have done further research. If you have done further research. Now we start our book work. You do the book work on your book. Open your page number 93. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. A magnet field is the area around a magnet where its force is weakest, strongest, visible, invisible. Answer is strongest. Which of these can prevent a magnet from becoming demagnetized? Store it carefully. Put it on the oven. Store it close to other magnet. Heat it repeatedly. The answer is store it close to the other magnets. Why are magnets useful? They are always magnetized. They look magnetized. They allow us to control magnetism. They are heavy. They allow us to control magnetism. Where does the needle of a magnetic compass always point? South pole, upward, north pole, equator. Answer is north pole. Which of the following does not use an electromagnet? Speakers, steam trains, maglev trains, generators. The answer is steam trains. Question number 2. True, false. Magnetism is a type of electricity. False. Magnet attracts only steam or iron objects. False. Magnets can never lose a magnetism. False. The magnetic field of a magnet is the area of force around it. True. Electromagnets cannot be switched on and off. False. Now open page number 94, fill in the blanks. A piece of iron or steel can attract objects made of iron or steel is called a magnet. The area around a magnet where its force of attraction can be felt is called the magnetic field. Opposite poles of a magnet attract each other while similar poles repel each other. The process or method by which a magnet loses its power is called demagnetization. An iron nail can be turned into a magnet by passing electric current around it. Such a magnet is known as electromagnet. This is the end of your book work and the end of the unit number 10. Allah Hafiz.